154 is a 2004 Bluebird All-American school bus. This one has 126,000 miles. It's been running for about an hour. Has not overheated, idles smooth, revs up nice, the automatic transmission engages, and it's got dual AC, but they both blow warm. The body looks straight on the passenger side. It's got tinted windows, the tires look good. The driver's side has some dents along the front. Let me show you. Looks like they tried to repair it. The paint doesn't match. See, the lower front corner is dented. And then there's paint over it. The rest of the body looks straight. Both rear corners are dented. Roof looks good. It's got the tinted windows. The tires look good all around. Motor sounds good. It's missing the belt for the AC compressors. Looks nice and clean. Motor sounds good. Here's some dents on the both rear corners. This side has little dents, and this side has one closer to the top. The rest of the body, again, looks good. Let me show you inside. Look at these tires. There's the driver's seat, shows normal wear and tear. Interior is dirty and moldy. This bus needs a good cleaning. All the gauges appear to be working, except the hour meter, can't read that. 126,000 miles. The seats show wear and tear. They're moldy and dirty, and both AC units are blowing warm. Alright, so there you have it. It's lot number 154. It's an All-American 72 passenger school bus. Good luck.